I'm Brian Rollins, and I'm the General Manager for the JIRA family. Now, we've had a great last year. There are more JIRA customers around the world than ever before. Also, 10 new countries have joined the JIRA family, so it brings our total number of countries to 131. Over 10 million users of JIRA. Last summit, we also launched JIRA Service Desk, the fastest growing product ever built by Atlassian in Atlassian history. Also in the last year, we rebranded the names of our deployment options, and we introduced a third deployment option this year, JIRA Data Center, as our offering for large enterprises. We're at an amazing time in history. In order to appreciate what I have today, I thought back to my very first team. I was excited about actually being a part of a great team. Instead, I spent 3 months with a really bad set of tools. And I mean that in both definitions of the word. Now, luckily, teams have come a long, long way since then. A major part of that is due to the tools we use. So teamwork can be changed by technology. And our goal in JIRA is actually give you the tools to track and organize your work, which will make you more productive and help you achieve better results. But in many ways, in our new world, teamwork's become harder. We're not even in the same office sometimes as the rest of our team, or even in the same country. And there are more external dependencies, more external relationships. Challenges grow by the day. We want to help you address these challenges by helping your team be faster, helping your team be more connected, and giving you a single source of truth. So to help your teams be faster, in JIRA Agile, we focused on making sure that you get the better information that you need to make decisions. So with our epic burndown and release burndown reports, you don't just see the trend in the line. You can understand the why. We've added the ability to zoom on any of our timeline reports. Now, create issue. So we've added the ability to simply create issues quickly in line in the backlog. That's just one small example of many of the things where we're trying to make your day quicker and quicker so you can do more. So we've added the ability in Agile cards to customize the fields that you see. We've added the ability to customize those cards in work mode as well. Now, this also happens to be the highest voted feature in JIRA Agile history. We've taken our integrations across our tools much, much further in the last year. We need a way for everyone on the team to understand the progress of an issue. Every single step is actually visible inside of the issue. JIRA 6.3, we've gone beyond just showing you the detailed status in the code. Every step could be automated. And here your developers can focus on what they love, which is writing code rather than updating status. This is the new version experience in JIRA. At a glance, you can understand how is the release going. This will actually soon be available as a labs feature in JIRA Cloud. How do we actually deal with the challenges of Agile at scale? So we need to plan at scale, we need to respond to change, and we need to provide a unified picture across all of our teams. And this is why we're incredibly excited about the newest member of the JIRA family, JIRA Portfolio. I'm incredibly excited about JIRA Portfolio, not just what it delivers today, but what's in store for the future. Now, with so many teams across all those projects that we just talked about in your organization, JIRA's become a mission-critical application in so many of your environments. Those largest JIRA instances that we track are getting bigger and bigger, and it seems to be accelerating. For now, to even be in the top 20% of those instances, 500,000 issues doesn't even qualify. The largest JIRA instances have actually grown by more than 50% in both projects and issues over the last couple of years, and more than doubled over the last 2 years in terms of the number of users. And so, to support the scale and the importance of JIRA in these large customer environments, it's why we introduced JIRA Data Center. We've introduced a premier support offering with, again, dedicated engineers with experience in working with enterprise customer problems. And a lot of you have said that you want a closer relationship with Atlassian, so we introduced technical account managers so that Atlassian-wide, you can get a better understanding of how to best use Atlassian tools in your environment. So in the last year, we've added an administrative audit log to JIRA and improved it release after release. Another example of this is actually the ability to schedule a snapshot of the JIRA index. It's great for local disaster recovery, even if you're not running data center. All in all, we've come a long way from our enterprise offerings of just 2 years ago, and it only gets better from here. Now, a lot of your JIRA instances, they've actually gotten really big because you've expanded JIRA beyond just software. So we want to take the platform further. We want to take it beyond where we are today, from software teams to service desk teams to all the teams. Every team can actually have a purpose-built experience in JIRA that fits the needs of the team, all on a single JIRA instance. So all of this means that the great innovation that's been experienced by your software teams, it can actually be experienced by all the teams in your organization, all built on top of the JIRA platform. So what does the future hold for our team? What does the future hold for the JIRA team? Well, we're going to accelerate down the path that we've shown you today, making JIRA more and more integrated with dev processes and tooling to help software teams, providing solution to our largest customers at scale to help them their JIRA instances grow, and adding to our data center offering, and expanding JIRA to teams beyond software. Thanks again for your rapt attention. Take care, guys.